Alright guys, got another quick one for you on making garden paths around your garden beds. And at the moment I've been making a lot of raised garden beds in an area, and I've got lots of grass which is now coming up in between where I've mowed everything. So I'm going to run you through basically how I'm going to suppress that grass and turn it into a tidy path. And the crux of it is it's not rocket science or anything like that. It's literally just taking scrap cardboard that I've got around the place, placing it down on top of where I want my paths to go, and I'm coming over the top with mulch. So there you guys go. It's yeah, it's not the prettiest looking thing on the planet, but it's yeah, it'll definitely do. Hopefully stop those weeds from coming up, all that grass, and yeah, defines the beds a bit more, pushes it down, and eventually when that's yeah, turns to rots down a bit more, I can use it in my garden beds as a mulch there. So I've got to go and get more mulch and more cardboard. It's actually run out halfway through, but yeah, I'll show you what it looks like in the end. But for now, thanks for watching.